Hey, so these are the problems for the getting ready. This chunk of problems is 5 through 12. And on this one, they want us to write these equations in slope-intercept form. So first thing you need to know is what is slope-intercept form. Hopefully you have this kind of memorized by now, because you will see this equation literally a million times throughout your school career. So you might as well just get used to it. So slope-intercept form, it is this y equals mx plus b. And m, of course, is the slope. And the b is the y-intercept. What that means graphically, if I made a quick little graph here, graphically, if I had a line, the b part, the y-intercept, that is where the line crosses the y-axis. So if you know that point, then you know at least one of the points on the graph. The slope tells you another point on the line. So the slope is how much it goes up to how much it goes over. So that gives you a second point on the line. So if you know those two things, then you can draw the line, which is really cool. So let's try some of these problems out. Let me just do number 5 real quick. All they want you to do is take the original equation. So this one is 2x minus 4y equals 10. And they just want you to change this into slope-intercept form. So basically, if you look at our equation, you just have to figure out what's wrong with our equation that's not in slope-intercept form yet. So on this one, we have a 2x on the left-hand side with the y. Well, over in slope-intercept form, our x is on the right-hand side. So first step I would do is get rid of this 2x, so minus 2x from both sides. So that 2x cancels out on the left-hand side, and we have negative 4y left on the left-hand side, and then on the right-hand side we have minus 2x plus 10. Usually people like to write the x in front of the b. So anyways, now we have one more problem. We have this negative 4 in front of the y, when in the slope-intercept form there's no number in front of the y. So we have to get rid of that. So in our situation we have negative 4 times y. And the opposite of times is division. So we need to do divided by negative 4, and on the right hand side divide everything by negative 4 as well. So on the left hand side, can you see what happens? So check this out. So negative 4 divided by negative 4, that crosses out and we just have the y left. Now check this out on the right hand side. Negative 2 divided by negative 4, a negative and a negative, what happens with that? That cancels out and we just have a positive, and then 2 divided by 4, let's just do that step in our head. We got 2 divided by 4, that reduces to 1/2 x. Now over here for the b we have 10 divided by negative 4. There's only there's a positive divided by a negative. So positive divided by negative, that is negative. So we got negative 10 over 4. And if we have 10 over 4, we need to reduce that down into its simplest terms. So what you need to do is think of a number that 10 can be divided by and that 4 can be divided by. In this case, 2 is probably our best candidate. So divide everything by 2, and we have y equals 1/2 x minus 10 divided by 2 equals 5. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And that would be the answer right there. So this is in slope-intercept form. Should I do one more? Okay, let's not count one more. Let's erase that stuff. So say you're stuck on number 12 here. So that one is y divided by 9 plus x divided by 3 equals 2. I'm going to go try to go a little faster, so pause the video or rewind it if I go too fast. So the first step I would do is get the x on the other side. So here, let me erase this. So that means that we need to minus x divided by 3 on both sides. So the x's cancel out on the left hand side and we just have y divided by 9 on the left side. On the right side we have negative x divided by 3 plus 2. Now we need to get rid of this 9. So how you do that is you multiply everything by 9. So if you multiply 9 times y over 9, these 9's cancel out and just give you the y. If you take 9 times negative x over 3, the 9 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3 equals 3. So you have negative 3x. And then 9 times 2 equals 18. Did you get all that? Okay, so that is the answer for 12. If you have any questions with that, then make sure that you come in to ask me or ask a friend. And if you need help on the next section of questions, go to the next video.